Good morning. We're here down by the lake. Beautiful overcast day in Canada. Yes, we're going to talk about taxes today. Taxes. If you're monetized on YouTube, well, they're looking for tax information. What does that mean for people in Canada that have a YouTube channel? Not a whole heck of a lot, really. It takes about 3 minutes to submit your information. And all you got to do is fill in some boxes and some check marks, and you won't be paying their 30% tax that they impose on any money that you make off of them. So let's get to it. 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. Welcome to your Google Adsense page. Let's get going. Let's put in our tax information that YouTube wants from anybody that's monetized. So you can get that information or go to that page by selecting either Manage Settings or Manage Tax Info in the banner. We're going to click on that, and it's going to send us to an itinerary page or an overview page. You see I've been approved, but we're going to submit another form. So you can do this as many times as you want. We just click on Start a New Form, and we'll start from the very beginning. It doesn't take long at all. The first thing that you're brought to is your identity page, basically. So here you're an individual. You're not a corporation or whatever. 99% of monetized people are individuals, the small time people like me. Click on Next, and then they want to know if you're an American citizen or not. And obviously here in Canada, we're not. So then you click on Next. The next thing is, are you going to be submitting a W-8 BEN or a W-8 ECI? 99.999% of you are going to click the first one. So let's just click that one. And the next page, you put in some of your information. You can put in your name, maybe your channel is called something like Mine's Grill, Mine's Garage, and where you live in Canada, and your TIN number is actually in Canada, it's your social insurance number. So you just put in your social insurance number and then click Next. You don't have to worry about anything else. Here we're going to put in our address. Now if you have a PO box, you have to click that, but if you have a normal address, just put your normal address in, and you verify that your mailing address is the same as what you put above, and you click Next. Here you see they want to know about the tax treaty. And in Canada, you want to claim the tax treaty because it brings your taxes down to 0. So you click Yes. And once you click the Yes, you have to fill out what country you're claiming for. And in our case, it's Canada. The next section has 3 separate sections to it. And you just click them all. You want to just click them all just in case. I'm not saying that many of you or a lot of you would have any cost to put in movies or TV or royalties or any of that stuff, but we submit them all anyway, just in case. You can never go wrong by putting them all in. So we just put them all in, and you don't worry about anything. And then you just verify by checking the box underneath. So in the end, it'll look like this. You'll check them all. And the last one, don't worry about what the paragraphs are, and you guarantee that you're not doing any business inside the States, and you click Next. Here you have an overview form, and it's submitted 4 forms for you. You can look at each one in PDF format, or you just click on the Confirm button and click Next. Now this is an overview, and here you have to sign it, so you just type in your name. Here you're just putting in your signature, and be sure you type in your legal name, full legal name, and then it asks you if you are the person submitting it or on somebody else's behalf, and you click you are the one, and then click on Next. Here they want to know whether or not you are doing business in the United States, and you're not. You're physically in another country, so you click on no. I'm not conducting any business in the US. And the next section, you just verify it, and below it asks you if you've got an account with Adsense or not. Is this the first one? And we click the bottom one that says yes, we already have an account. Basically, that's what you're admitting to. And then you verify that and click on next. And that's about it, because you're not going to put any changes in here. And you press the submit button, and it brings you back to the profile page, and everything is in there, and everything looks good. You can 0%, 0%, and 10%. But I wouldn't worry about that, because you're not going to be charged. The only thing left to do in Canada is to go to your analytical reports and find out how much you made for 2020 and put that on the line that says other income, and you're done. That's for the Canadian federal income tax reports, and you're all set. So that wasn't too bad, was it? No, took a couple of minutes and you're all set to go, and you don't have to worry about getting dinged at 30 or 24%, whatever it is. You'll just be dinged in Canada for whatever percentage your income is going to generate. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Yeah, easy. 1, 2, 3. I told you. As soon as you're done, nothing else to worry about. And then you've got till April 30th in Canada, Ontario anyway, to submit your federal income tax. And remember, just put in your annual income from the Adsense to your tax form in Canada, and away you go. Add up your expenses, and hopefully it'll come out to a negative, and you won't be paying as much tax as you are now.